got a BMW here. Customer was supposed to be had somebody take the transmission out, and what they did, they took the whole part of the engine apart to try to take the engine to take the transmission out. So all this is apart, which was not necessary. I told them we don't put the engine back. So we about to see, wait a minute, what he did. I don't have it. Let me get over here. Well, let me see, this is a BMW, so they might have it right up here. They should have, BMW always have some VIN number on here too. So, no, that's not the VIN number. They normally have VIN, oh there it is. They have VIN number all over, so he'll know this is his car right here. He know what's going on. This is he has somebody do it. So, okay, we're gonna lift it up and then we'll see what happens on it. So we're lifting this BMW up. Right away, there's a whole bunch of stuff hanging down. Now what happened was, somebody left him stranded. He tried to have it done with somebody in the backyard. Now I'm not saying people who do things in the backyard is bad, but you have some people that don't do something right. So now he made his way here to the transmission.
Billy, where's the Malibu?
So all of this is apart. All this is apart. And we just got to put the transmission back in. That's it. And drive shafts and bolts and everything else. So this is just hanging down. Hanging down. So we're gonna get to this.